Hey, Chewie!
Yeah?
I think we just got something on the pulley system.
Wait, really?
Yeah, let's find out what it is. Yeah, there we are. Let's see what's inside.
Whoa, there's so many things in here.
Yeah. What's this, a propeller?
Yeah.
Or a
looks
fan?
like it. What's this?
And what's this? The
Micro
microbit. It's got a speaker, a processor, an accelerometer, a compass.
Whoa.
It's got an antenna.
It's got everything.
Yeah.
Wait, what's this? Is this a note?
What's it say?
Hello makers, we thought you would like to try our new Internet of Things kit. It includes a microbit, a sensor bit, and assorted sensors. You can download code to your microbit at makecode.microbit.org. Good luck and have fun.
So they've given us this microbit and a website. Maybe we should pop in, give it a visit, see what we've got.
Yeah. Are they LED lights?
Yeah, looks like it.
Looks like a screen almost.
You're right, and if it's a screen, then maybe we could display something on it.
Yeah, great idea. Like words?
Yeah.
What can we display?
Hello world!
Let's hop on the website.
All right, you pull it up and I'll try and plug this in. There we go.
So if we put that in there, hit download. I think I got it.
Yeah, look. Hello world!
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is awesome. Can you show me how to do that?
Yeah, sure. So I have two blocks, the forever block and the showstring block.
Okay.
The forever block runs the code over and over again as long as the microbit is plugged in.
So it runs it forever.
Yes.
Okay.
And the showstring block shows a string of characters like punctuation, numbers, letters to create words.
So anything that you can write is a character that you can put in a string.
Yes.
And by putting the showstring block inside the forever block, we're showing our string, hello world, forever.
Yes.
So that means it's going to keep running even when I say, leave the treehouse.
Yes.
I wonder what else it can do.
Let's see.